Hi shoebox friends, this is Val. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to unbox just one box. You see 7 here. I'm just going to quickly explain why I'm showing you 7, and then I'm going to unbox one of them. I purchased this multi-pack of Sparkle Girls dolls at Walmart. There were 7 in the package. They're all different colored dresses. They were $24.99, but I did not pay $24.99. I only paid $10 because I had $15 in Walmart gift cards. And just to quickly tell you how I purchased those gift cards, I used 2 different shopping apps. I've been doing this for years, and it's a great way to gather points that you can turn into gift cards and help with the costs of all the items that you purchase for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. Just to quickly, I could do a whole nother video on these shopping apps to explain how they work, but just to quickly give you a rundown. The first one is called Shopkicks. You can find out more information at shopkick.com. I'm pretty new at these YouTube videos and I'm not really sure how to add the link, so I'm just gonna show you the website and you can find a lot more information. The next one is called Fetch Rewards, fetchrewards.com. Basically, these shopping apps work with the app on your phone. You just take pictures of your receipts, scan barcodes. You can collect kicks with Shopkick just by walking in the store, certain stores with the app open. You collect the rewards, and then when you have so many rewards points, you can use them to purchase gift cards. And so I had a $10 gift card to Walmart using Fetch Rewards and a $5 gift card to Walmart using Shopkicks. And so I purchased that box of dolls, and so I ended up paying only like $1.42 a piece for each of the dolls. And so each of these boxes has a different doll, and I've added a tie Beanie Baby in each one to sort of match the color, and a lot of other items. So each box has a different color theme. I've got orange, dark pink, light pink, green, blue, purple, and yellow. I wasn't sure which box to show you. My favorite color is purple. My husband's favorite color is green, but my favorite color when I was a kid was yellow. So I think I'll show you yellow. So I'll move the rest of the boxes out of the way. So that I have room to display the yellow box. So let me show you what I packed in the yellow box. A tie Beanie Baby. Yes, I have several of these tie Beanie Baby bears in different styles and different colors because a dear friend of mine, her name is Angie, I've mentioned her before, gave me a huge collection of tie Beanie Babies, and there were so many tie Beanie Baby bears, really cute ones. This one is yellow. It has a purplish flower on it. This tie Beanie Baby, the name is Mother, and it has a real cute about mothers. But I think a child in the age range of 5 to 9 will just love and cherish this bear. The other star of the show, of course, is the Sparkle Girls doll. She has yellow and purple on her dress, and so she matches the colors of the tie Beanie Baby. This little girl will get a headband bow, yellow of course. I bought a bunch of these headband bows at Walmart in different colors, and I happen to have a color for every one of these 7 boxes. And I have to say that most of the stuff I put in these boxes was stuff that I already had on hand, and it was a real fun scavenger hunt going around and trying to find all the different colors to match the color theme in the boxes. It was real fun, and I've kind of wiped out my supply of a lot of things, like these headband bows, but they're $1 at Walmart, I think normal price, and my Walmart had a ton. So I may be going back to buy more because I'd love to include these in my shoe boxes. If a child does not have a lot of hair or has real short hair, they'll still have something fun for their hair. A bar of soap, of course. A lip balm. This lip balm is Trolls brand, but it's yellow, so it's real cute, and I had one in every color for each of my boxes. 2 bouncy balls. I just bought these yesterday at Hobby Lobby on clearance. They're summer toy clearance, and I had not every color I needed for these boxes, but I did have yellow. This is a shirt that I got after Christmas clearance at Walmart last year. I bought a lot of these. So a lot of these boxes that I packed, these 7 boxes with these dolls, have these Christmas shirts in them. Not everyone, but a lot of them. And I picked these up for $1 at Walmart last year after Christmas. She's got a little blow up beach ball, a mini one. These are Playside Creations from Hobby Lobby. They come in a multi-pack, real cute, different colors. This one says Jesus is my jam. She's got 2 pair of underwear. This pair has cute white daisies with the yellow centers. I wasn't able to totally match everything in these boxes, but I came pretty close. I did not have a yellow tote bag. This one is just black. It's just a, you know, a nylon drawstring tote bag, backpack. I got these in a multi-pack from Amazon, and so my other boxes do have the color of tote bag to match the theme of the box. This one does not. Colored pencils. A note from my family, or I'm sorry, a photo of my family. I have not included my note yet. I still have that to do in all of these boxes. 2 pairs of socks, blues and yellows. A yellow bandana. Each box has the matching color bandana. Each box has a matching color notebook or composition book. This is a yellow composition book that I happen to have on hand. Pencil pouch, yellow in color. And inside she will find yellow scissors, a yellow highlighter, yellow Ticonderoga pencils, a glue stick that has purple and yellow on it, Crazy Art brand, some yellow pencil cap erasers, some other novelty pencils that have yellow emojis on them. I've got some other bigger novelty erasers in here that are yellow. I've got a blue ink pen, a yellow ink pen. I had purchased a multi-pack, I think it was Bic pens, and I happen to have the color yellow and all the other colors for these 7 boxes. She's got a yellow mini recorder from Hobby Lobby. She's got a little brush. These actually came with another set of dolls that I purchased, smaller dolls, but I took the brushes out of those packages and included included a brush for each one of these boxes for these bigger dolls. She's got a craft kit. This is I got these at Michael's on sale. This one's a unicorn. You can lace it up and then also color the wooden piece with markers that come with the kit. She's just got a chipboard coloring piece here. It's the trolls. She's got a toothbrush. I didn't have a yellow toothbrush. Yellow toothbrushes, I think, are not that common, but anyway, it's a toothbrush with a cap. She's got I didn't have a yellow washcloth, but I did have this cute magic towel with I believe it's Aurora, Disney princess, and it's got yellows and purples, so that also matches her dress and her tie Beanie Baby. Didn't really have room for a puzzle, but I did have these little Valentine, these came with a box of Valentines, and it's just a little mini puzzle after Valentine's Day clearance. I think I got them last year, and so there's a little mini puzzle in here. I got all kinds of beads, and so I tried to include the right color in each box. I didn't have yellow, but I did have gold. Of course, my cross necklace from Hobby Lobby, Playside Creations. This one kind of matches. I'm not sure if it's light green or yellow, but it's close enough. She's got a pop-out brush with a compact mirror. This has different colors in it, so it'll go nicely with the yellow box. It's got yellows and purples. Oops. I didn't really have room for a larger coloring book, so what I did was I put in 2 smaller ones after Valentine's Day clearance, and I think after Christmas clearance. Each one has several pages in there to color and also has games to play. This came with a box of Valentines. This is one of those, I played with them when I was a kid, but I can't think of what they're called. You fold them up, and then they are, oh shoot, I can't remember what they were called. You fold them up into a square, and you fold the triangles in, and then you use them as a game. You go like this with your fingers. If you could help me out and tell me what these are called, I'd appreciate that. Maybe I'll go online and try to find some instructions on how to fold these so that the child knows what this is for. Hopefully I can find something online. This is a box of crayons. They're now 25 cents at my Walmart. An eraser from the Dollar Tree. These are nice, although they're covered, but the cap doesn't stay on very well. Oh, well, the cap stays on pretty well over the eraser. These have an eraser on one side, and they twist. This cap comes off pretty easily, so I just put 2 little pieces of tape to hold that on. A little mini journal. I get these from Hobby Lobby, Playside Creations. This one's got some purples and yellows. I love these little journals because they've got decorative pages and lines. These are the mini ones. They also have larger ones at Hobby Lobby. And so that is the box, the yellow box, with the yellow doll, the yellow Beanie Baby, yellows and purples, and I would appreciate any comments that you might have, ideas, suggestions. I really wanted to put a water bottle in here, and I may still go back and add a collapsible water bottle. I don't think I could get a full-size water bottle to fit. And when I was packing these 7 boxes, I should have had a checklist. I hope I didn't forget any of the essential items. I think I've got the hygiene items, the school supplies, the fun things to play with, some things to color, some creative crafts, and so that's what I packed. And like I said, each one of these 7 boxes, they're pretty much the same. They all have the doll, the Beanie Baby, the notebook, the journal, the coloring books, either a whistle or a recorder, the beads, the headband, a shirt, a bandana, and they were real fun to pack. So I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll catch you in my next video.